Ever thought that something as simple as what you drink could help repair your nerves and prevent nerve damage? Nerve health is crucial for maintaining your body's overall function and can be impacted by various factors like diabetes, injury, or even poor diet. But what if I told you there are 7 drinks that can help repair nerve damage and keep your nerves strong? Today, I'm sharing these top drinks that not only taste great, but also support nerve health naturally. And make sure to stick around because I'll also be revealing a unique home remedy using a common household item, sugar, that has been helping people reverse nerve damage and relieve nerve pain. If you're curious to find out more about this method, click the link in the description to watch a short video that explains everything. Nerves play a critical role in transmitting signals throughout your body. When they're damaged, it can lead to pain, numbness, and other discomforts that disrupt daily life. While medications can sometimes help manage symptoms, they don't always address the root cause. That's why incorporating the right foods and drinks into your diet is so important. So let's dive into the top 7 drinks that can help repair nerve damage and promote overall nerve health. 1. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants like EGCG, epigallocatechin-galat, which combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, both key contributors to nerve damage. The gentle caffeine content also sharpens mental focus without overstimulating the nervous system. Drinking green tea daily can provide a steady stream of antioxidants to nourish and protect your nerves. 2. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are a powerful superfood that's packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which shield nerves from damage caused by oxidative stress. A blueberry smoothie is not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to hydrate and provide your nerves with a natural dose of protection. Mix it with almond milk or yogurt for an even healthier option. 3. Turmeric latte, golden milk. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation and promote nerve regeneration. A warm turmeric latte, combined with milk and a dash of black pepper, enhances the bioavailability of curcumin, making it easier for your body to absorb. This soothing drink is not only tasty, but also a powerhouse for nerve health. And if you're looking for a natural way to reverse nerve damage and reduce nerve pain using a common household item, click the link in the description below to watch a short video that reveals this surprising method. It's an easy and effective way to support your nerve health right from home. 4. Spinach juice. Spinach juice is rich in vitamins K, C, and B complex, all of which are crucial for nerve function. Vitamin K helps regulate calcium levels in the brain, protecting against neural degeneration, while B vitamins play a direct role in nerve repair and regeneration. Add a splash of lemon or apple to your spinach juice for added flavor and nutrients. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger's bioactive compound, gingerol, is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties not only reduce nerve inflammation, but also protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. Sip on ginger tea regularly to soothe nerve pain and improve overall nerve health. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-rich drink that contains collagen, amino acids, and minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are essential for nerve health. Collagen supports the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerves, while amino acids like glycine help calm the nervous system. A warm cup of bone broth can be a comforting way to nourish your nerves. Want to learn how to use sugar to support your nerve health and reduce pain? Click the link below to watch a short video that explains exactly how this method works and how you can start using it at home today. It's a natural way to support nerve regeneration and get relief from nerve pain. 7. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is known for its calming properties and ability to reduce anxiety and stress, both of which can exacerbate nerve pain. Chamomile's active compound, apigenin, binds to certain receptors in the brain to promote relaxation and better sleep. By reducing tension in the body, chamomile tea supports optimal nerve function and health. So, how can sugar help with nerve damage? It's not about eating it, but rather a specific method of using sugar that can promote nerve healing and reduce pain. This technique has been providing incredible relief for many people suffering from nerve pain and damage. If you're curious to find out more, Click the link in the description now to watch a short video that explains how you can use sugar to reverse nerve damage naturally. Don't let nerve pain control your life. Take action today and see the difference for yourself. That's it for today's video. Remember, incorporating these 7 drinks into your routine can make a significant difference in your nerve health. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on supporting nerve health and reducing pain naturally. And once again, click the link in the description to learn about the natural sugar remedy that's helping people reverse nerve damage at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.